Carpet repairs, carpet stretching, Carpet Man Perth is your man. We are quickly gaining a fantastic reputation among all our clients and customers for our quality of workmanship. We are also based in Perth. All our carpet repairs, carpet laying and carpet restretching is carried out by myself, Ricky, the owner-operator of the business Carpet Man Perth. Power, carpet stretching, removing those lumps and wrinkles out of your bumpy carpet. Carpet invisible repairs, this is quickly becoming our strongest arm of the business, as a lot of money can be saved by a quality repair. Example, a repair can only be done one way, and that's as invisible as can be. By accepting the cheapest quote won't save you money in the end if the repair is not acceptable by the property manager, which means not getting your bond back. Check out our photos. With over 25 years experience in carpets, I have invested thousands of dollars on the latest tools and gadgets to get you the best finish possible on your project. Since our founding, Carpet Man Perth has been known for quality services, exceptional efficiency, and the highest level of professionalism. No matter what type of carpet service you're looking for, we guarantee to not only meet, but exceed your expectations and ensure your full satisfaction. All our workmanship carries a full warranty. It is important for the clients to know that the tradesperson entering their home is not only pleasant, friendly, but is fully insured. We carry a public liability insurance against breakages or damage, and we also are police cleared. Our team is up for every job, managing projects with the skill and experience our clients have come to expect. We cover all of Perth north to Yanchep and south to Mandurah. We offer free quotes and advice. Please get in touch to learn more about our team, our company, or for details about the quality carpet services we provide. Thanks for listening, and we also offer instant carpet repairs, same-day service. So why not give us a call?